This year, over 56,000 individuals will contract HIV. That is equivalent to a packed football stadium. Every 9.5 minutes, a new individual will contract HIV, the same amount of time the snooze button gives you on an alarm clock. HIV/AIDS is a worldwide problem. Within the United States, more than 40% of all new infections are in the South, and 9 of the 15 states with the highest HIV diagnosis rates are in the South.
Columbia Cares is a nonprofit AIDS service organization founded in 1992. We're located in Columbia, Tennessee, and since 1992 we've had the privilege of serving the 12 south central rural counties of Middle Tennessee. We serve the community with a variety of services which include age-appropriate educational programs for individuals, civic groups, churches, schools. We also provide support groups and other social services for people living with HIV and AIDS, as well as their families. We provide financial assistance and rapid HIV testing. One of the primary goals for Columbia Cares is to help educate the community, raise awareness about HIV and AIDS, as well as providing early detection services.
HIV is an acronym for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. AIDS stands for Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. Columbia Cares is the only HIV/AIDS organization for Columbia, Murray County, and 12 other counties in Middle Tennessee. HIV is most commonly transmitted by contact with infected blood, unprotected sexual intercourse, consumption of infected breast milk, and sharing needles.
To prevent HIV transmission, the key word is responsibility. Abstinence is the most effective way to prevent HIV transmission as well as other sexually transmitted diseases. However, if you plan on being sexually active, first know your HIV status. Between 1.25% of people in the United States aren't aware of their HIV status, and that is why testing is so important. When we're thinking about protection, daily awareness of avoiding contact with other people's body fluids is very important. And when we choose to be sexually active, the use of condoms can greatly reduce up to 99% of the risk of HIV transmission, as well as other sexually transmitted diseases and pregnancy.
In addition to addressing disease transmission and prevention, as well as social awareness and responsibility, other resources include social support for families, transportation assistance, support groups, and emergency financial assistance for those who qualify.
Columbia Cares uses American Red Cross curriculum as well as Tennessee Department of Education standards to teach HIV prevention in schools. We also provide programs for churches and other organizations. We teach about disease transmission and prevention and work to improve community responsibility by raising awareness about HIV and AIDS. A primary focus of Columbia Cares is to offer early detection services through rapid HIV testing. This form of testing is mobile, which means we can provide the test at the Columbia Cares facility or off-site where we can better reach individuals or group of people. Results are available in 20 minutes and are 99.3% accurate. Having this capability gives Columbia Cares the opportunity to provide pre- and post-test counseling. People who test positive are quickly offered guidance to social and medical resources. National studies show that early detection and early medical care improve the quality and longevity of a person infected with HIV/AIDS.
There is an enormous financial benefit to preventing HIV and diagnosing HIV infection early on. The impact of early detection of HIV saves an individual on average $2,600 a month in medical expenses. It is estimated that $4.5 billion investment in prevention saves $104 billion in medical expenses.
HIV awareness is more than a red ribbon. It's knowing your HIV status, and it's offering unconditional support for those living with HIV and AIDS. And we at CARES are honored to serve our community and value your continued collaboration with our mission.
Whether the need is early detection, financial assistance, or gaining a better understanding of the disease, Columbia Cares is here to serve you. We warmly welcome financial donations and volunteer assistance. You can contact us directly at 931-381-0114 or find us on the web at www.columbiacares.org. Thanks again for your open mind, your willingness to listen, and any offer of goodwill to help make a difference in our community.